Hello, how are you doing? Today we are going to learn about animals. Let's start. So first we start with farm animals. Again, farm animals. Animal number 1 is pig. Repeat after me. Pig. This is a pink pig. Animal number 2 is rabbit. Rabbit. This is a gray rabbit. Chicken. Again, chicken. Sheep. A white sheep. Horse. A horse. A brown horse. A cow. A white and black cow. What is your favorite farm animal? What is your favorite farm animal? My favorite farm animal is a horse. My favorite farm animal is a horse. These were farm animals. Let's practice them again. What is this? Horse. Horse. What is this one? Sheep. Sheep. What is this? Chicken. Chicken. Can you tell me the name of this one? Rabbit. Rabbit. What is the name of this one? Pig. Pig. What is the color of the pig? Pink. Pink. The last one, what is this? A cow. A cow. These are farm animals. We also have wild animals. Wild animals we have a crocodile, a green crocodile. This is a crocodile. Tiger, tiger, an orange tiger. This is a giraffe, giraffe. Repeat after me, giraffe. Elephant, a gray elephant. A monkey, a brown monkey. The last one is a bear, a brown bear. What is your favorite wild animal? What is your favorite wild animal? My favorite wild animal is elephant. My favorite wild animal is elephant. Let's practice them again. What is this? Can you tell me what is this? Monkey. Monkey. Do you know this? Bear. A bear. What is this? Elephant. Elephant. Giraffe. A giraffe. A tiger. Tiger. A crocodile. A crocodile. What is your favorite farm animal and what is your favorite wild animal? Answer and tell me. Goodbye. See you next time.